we have to find in this example the sum of 27 first terms of given series. And we know that we have here arithmetic progression. So we can rewrite these terms that we have 7 over 8, 6 over 8, 5 over 8, and so on. This is arithmetic progression. We need to find the sum of arithmetic progression, so we will use formula that Sn, n terms, sum of n terms is equal first term plus last term over 2 times number of terms times n. So in this example, to find this sum, we need first term, last term, and n. Because we have to find sum of 27 terms, so we have given that n is equal 27. What else? The first term of our arithmetic progression is 7 over 8. So a1 is 7 over 8. What else we need? We need to have an. The n term of our arithmetic progression. So let me remind you formula that an is equal a1 plus n minus 1 times d. We know that n is 27, a1 we have, and we need the constant d. What is the d? When we have arithmetic progression, the constant d is the number which we add to the first term to have the second. This is constant number. So how we will find this? When we have first term, second term, third term, we will choose 2 consecutive terms and we will subtract first one from the second. So we can choose a1 and a2 or a2 and a3. So it will be a2 minus a1, or you can choose a3 minus a2. The difference is the same, it's constant. So let's choose, for example, a3 and a2. So it will be 5 over 8 minus 6 over 8. So this is equal 8. We copy 5 minus 6 is negative 1. So we have d. So when we have d, we have n. We can find the last term in our example a27. To find this sum. So a27 is equal a1 is 7 over 8 plus n is 27 minus 1 times d is negative 1 over 8. So a27 is equal 7 over 8. First we have to do operation in parentheses. So 27 minus 1 is 26 times negative 1 over 8. So we will have, because we have fraction here, so I will not reduce now here. I will copy 7 over 8, and we have positive and negative, so it will be negative. 26 times 1, so it will be 26 over 8. So this is equal 8 we copy, subtraction of fraction, denominator we copy. 7 minus 26 is negative 19. So we have the 27 term of our arithmetic progression. So now the sum of this first 27 terms will be, we use this form, a1 plus a27 over 2 times 27. So this is equal, A1 is 7 over 8 plus A27 is negative 19 over 8 over 2, we copy, times 27. So this is equal, denominator we copy, addition fraction, so we copy denominator, 7 minus 19, so it will be negative 12 times 27. So this is equal, we can reduce 8 and 12, so it will be divided by 4, so it will be 2 and 3. So we have negative 3 over 2. We have divided by 2, so we can take this to the denominator, so it will be times 2 times 27. So this is equal, negative times positive give me negative. 3 times 27 is 81 over 2 times 2 is 4. So this is our sum of 27 terms of our arithmetic progression.